Kerala, a state renowned for its advancements in education, introduced IRIS, the first generative AI teacher in yet another groundbreaking move. IRIS, which was created in partnership with Marker Labs EduTech Private Limited, represents a substantial step forward in the application of artificial intelligence in the classroom. Unveiled at KTCT Higher Secondary School in Thiruvananthapuram, IRIS is a humanoid designed to enhance the learning experience for students. Marker Labs shared a video of IRIS on Instagram showcasing its potential to transform education. With IRIS, we have set out to revolutionize education by harnessing the power of AI to create a truly personalized learning experience, they wrote. A video that is going viral on the internet demonstrates IRIS's interactive capabilities and its role as a versatile teaching tool. Constructed as part of the Adult Tinkering Lab ATL initiative, which was started by NITI Aayog, IRIS has several elements that are designed to transform conventional teaching approaches. IRIS, who can answer complicated questions and speak 3 languages, provides each student with a unique learning experience. Because of its features, which include mobility, voice assistance, interactive learning modules, and manipulation capabilities, it is a priceless tool in the classroom.